What if one of the most versatile materials in the world has been sitting in your closet this whole time? Today, I'm sharing 50 plus ideas made from denim. And some of these creations are so clever, so creative, and so unexpected that you may never look at denim the same way again. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and they are packed with inspiration for turning denim into beautiful, useful, and imaginative projects. As you watch, keep track of your favorite idea because I want you to vote for it in the comments and let me know which one stands out the most. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can review these ideas, save your favorites, and explore even more creative denim inspiration. Some of these ideas are practical, some are decorative, and some are the kind of projects that make you stop and wonder how someone ever thought of them in the first place. My personal favorite is number 42, so make sure you stick around to see that one, because I think it is especially creative. One of the things I love most about denim is that it is durable, timeless, and incredibly versatile, which means the possibilities are almost endless when creative minds get involved. These ideas prove that a simple material can be transformed into something completely different with a little imagination and inspiration. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning project in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. So get comfortable, start choosing your favorites, and let's jump into these 50 plus denim ideas to see which creative projects inspire you the most. One of the most fascinating things about denim is the journey it has taken over the years. Denim began as a hard-working fabric valued for strength and durability. It was created to handle demanding work, yet few people imagined that this useful material would become a favorite for creative projects. Today, denim appears in countless forms, and makers continue finding new ways to transform it into something unexpected. That journey from workwear to works of art is one reason denim remains inspiring. It reminds us that the original purpose of something does not have to define its future. A piece of denim may begin as jeans, a jacket, or a shirt, but with imagination, it can become something entirely different. As you watch these ideas, notice how many directions the same fabric can take. Some projects are practical, some decorative, and some artistic. That versatility is what makes denim so appealing. Take a look at this next one because it is a great example of how a simple material can become something unexpected. The more you explore denim, the more possibilities seem to appear. What once served a practical purpose can become a statement piece or a project that showcases creativity. Here comes another really neat idea. And what I love about it is how it demonstrates that creativity often begins by looking beyond the obvious. Denim teaches us that transformation does not always require starting from scratch. Keep watching because the next idea is especially clever and highlights just how versatile this fabric can be. One reason denim has remained popular for generations is its ability to adapt. It fits rustic styles, modern styles, and timeless classics. Check out this next one because it shows how the same fabric can inspire a completely different result. The remarkable thing about denim is that there always seems to be another possibility waiting to be discovered. That endless potential keeps creative people coming back to it year after year. The story of denim is really a story about reinvention. A fabric that started as dependable workwear has become a source of inspiration for generations of makers, sewists, artists, and creative thinkers. That transformation happened because people were willing to look beyond the original purpose of the material and imagine something more. In many ways, creativity works the same way. It begins when we stop seeing things only for what they are and start imagining what they could become. You are going to love this next one because it shows how a simple piece of denim can be transformed into something that feels entirely new. Every project in this collection is a reminder that creativity has very few limits when imagination is involved. The same fabric can become something practical, beautiful, useful, or unexpected. Here is another great example coming up, and it illustrates how one material can inspire countless ideas. That is the power of denim. It continues to adapt and surprise us. Before we move on, check out this next one because it is a fantastic example of how creative vision can change the way we see a familiar material. The more ideas you see, the easier it becomes to understand why denim remains a beloved fabric for sewing and upcycling projects. Creativity often grows when we challenge ourselves to see familiar materials from a fresh perspective. Take a look at the next idea because it proves that inspiration can come from unexpected places. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to Ms. Angela Sawyer so you do not miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling ideas. There are also tutorial videos linked below that can help you build new skills. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep looking for inspiration in the materials around you. Sometimes, the most ordinary things have extraordinary potential. And when this video is over, there's a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I will see you there.